Guys, are you a YouTuber? Dedicated someone who needs to record their screen, give voiceovers and then edit and post them? Then I have a website for you where you can do all these things in just few clicks. And guess what? It's free too. So, my name is Himanshu, you are watching GetAssist, and without wasting any time, let's get started. So friends, in today's video, the website we are using it's loom.com. It's a screen recording website where you have additional features like you can turn on your mic and you can turn on your webcam, and also you can edit those clips and even add captions to them. Afterwards, you can share them privately or publicly. So first of all, you have to go to your browser and search for loom.com. After reaching the website, click on Get Loom for free. Then sign up for a free account. Then after answering some questions in the setup process, then it will give you an option to choose your recorder, like whether you want a desktop application or a Chrome extension of it. For now, I am clicking on Continue to Workspace for now. Now, on the bottom left, you'll find Record a Video. By tapping on it, this side tab will emerge. Afterwards, when we click on the full screen button, these options will emerge. Full screen will cover entire screen. Window is for a particular application. Then current tab if you are browsing something, and then comes camera option for your webcam, and which is your choice to put it on or off. And just below that you can see a mic button too, again for the same reasons. Then you have some effects for your background of your webcam videos, like we have in Google Meet and other virtual meeting apps. Then we have blur tool there. If you want to blur something particularly like this, you can hide some names or information using it. Then you will be having some backgrounds here too for entire screen. So now let's start recording it. For now, let's go to our GetAssist official website. Here you can see the recording is on. Then you still have the blur option, like I'll blur this one. Then you can pause your video and resume it back to recording. For now, I'm ending the recording here, and now the video we have recorded is here now. Down here is an AI generated summary of our recording. Just leave it like that, and on the right side, edit tab, and click on trim and stitch. I'll trim the opening cause I don't want to show the loom screen here, like this. Also, we have split screen options and delete and add clip too. Then after editing the clips, click on the save button. Afterwards, to share the file, this subbar will emerge exactly like we have in Canva. And now you can choose your priority, whether you want to share it with someone privately or share it with anyone with the link, and afterwards just copy the link from here. After copying the link, you can send it to anyone, and to download that video the person needs to sign up on the loom.com. Here you can also check up on like other social media platforms, like how many people viewed it or liked it or commented on it. So that's all in this video about loom.com. If you find this video informative and useful, do give it a thumbs up, and do not forget to subscribe our channel. I'm seeing you guys are not subscribing the channel. Also share it with your friends, and I'll meet you in the next one. Keep watching GetAssist.